Hey guys, we're here in Highland Park, Illinois, in Dean Zelinsky's shop with the finished Dean Zelinsky aluminum guitar. This thing is awesome. It's so lightweight. This thing was made from 140 pounds of solid aluminum. Now, making an aluminum guitar, we were able to design some really cool features into this guitar because it was made from metal and not wood. And obviously one of the limitations was weight, right? Dean wanted the guitar that was as light as the real thing, and we have just about achieved that. This is just under 8 pounds with hardware inside of it. So basically this whole process, this is a 3-piece guitar outside of the hardware. The neck was made in a single setup on a mill turn machine. Now the neck is really cool because we were able to integrate Dean's Z-Glide technology. Now this is a friction reducing surface. This is done on a laser in Dean's shop. We were able to replicate that on the mill turn machine with over 200 individually drilled holes that not only help to reduce friction sliding your hand along the neck, also reduces weight. We have a big pocket here in the side of the neck. Again, weight savings. We cored out the headstock here with all these honeycombs for more weight savings. This finished neck weighs 1.9 pounds. We also integrated the entire fretboard, all the hardware that usually goes onto a neck, all integrated single piece. Getting over to the body, this is another really cool setup. We actually were able to integrate, these bezels are usually bolted onto the guitar separately. This is all one single piece. The back cover body actually pops off. This is held on with a series of just kind of magnet studs here. These magnets are what hold the body together. This back body weighs 1.5 pounds. This started out as 40 pounds of solid aluminum, 1.5 inches thick. We have this honeycomb effect here. This is again, weight saving and structure. So 35 thousandths thick on the thin parts. It's just a piece of sheet metal, and 140 thousandths thick on top of these ribs. This piece is solid, it blends perfectly with the front body, and it covers all the electronics. This is basically a cosmetic cover plate. You can see here we've got Dean's logo embossed on it. We achieved this by varying the direction of the toolpath. Basically, the big finished toolpath went this way, and the spider finished toolpath went that way. Completely seamless, zero depth. Now this guitar is fully functional. You can see it's fully wired up. It's got pickups, the neck is bolted on. The neck is held on with a series of 8 M5 screws. You can see all these hex pockets. Again, everything is about trying to make this lightweight. Really cool, we were able to actually keep this thing stiff enough to overcome the force of the strings by increasing the height of the hex pockets here. You can see these pockets are almost 1/2 inch deep. These are what keep that body from really flexing under the tension of the strings. And again, this front body, 1.5 pounds. So in all, the aluminum machine parts are about 5.5 pounds. With hardware, we're just under 8 pounds, the weight of a real guitar. So this project started out with Dean's Mastercam model of a hollow body guitar made out of wood, which is a lot thicker than this final part. There was a lot of design work that went into this. Dean, on one of our video calls, set the goal of 8 pounds, and we were able to achieve that with all these hex pockets and lightning features. So this guitar turned out amazing. This is an absolute piece of art, but most importantly, it's functional, it's playable, and it sounds great.